guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I'll be doing my boho twist takedown. If you guys missed my boho braids tutorial, boho twist tutorial, and my boho braids takedown video, I will link those down below. But right here, I'm just giving you guys a quick refresher of what the boho twist looked like. I loved this look. I loved how it turned out. I think I liked it a little bit better than the boho braids. But if you guys want to see the takedown, just stay tuned. So this is what my boho twists were looking like a week later, 7 days later. I know with the boho braids, I actually left those in for 2 weeks, but with the twist, I just honestly was going on vacation and I didn't want twists in my head, so that's why I took them out early. I'm going to give you guys a close-up now just to look at some of the curls. Again, I've mentioned that doing these boho styles on your natural hair, I didn't get any like tangling. And for the most part, pretty much all of the little curls that I left out were intact, except for a few of them, which if I were keeping the style in would have been an easy fix. So I am just going to start taking these out, y'all, and I honestly already knew from doing 1,000 twist outs and 1,000 braid outs that this would be so easy to take down. So I kind of just started from the middle and unraveled, and you guys can clearly see it's unraveled in literally seconds. Now I have a clip right here showing of me taking down the boho braids. It is sped up just a little bit because I didn't want it to be too long, because it does take a while to get these freaking braids out. But I just want you guys to see in comparison the big difference. It took me an hour and a half to take these boho braids down, and it took me 20 minutes to take the boho twist down, y'all. Such a difference. So yeah, if you've been considering doing one of these boho styles, I definitely recommend the twists more than the braids because they're quicker to put in and quicker to take out. Now after I unravel the twist, I am just going to separate. I'm doing that for 2 reasons. One, because I want to show you guys what the twist out would look like if I wanted to like rock it, because this is like a 2-in-1 style. You can wear the twist, the boho twist, and then you could do a twist out. And then I just wanted to make my wash day a little bit easier, just separating the big, clumps, whatever. So you will see as I continue on that I honestly just started to unravel the twist from the root. Like, it's literally that easy. Start from the root, pull it apart, and you're done. So I'm gonna be quiet now, play some music, and let you guys just watch the process. It's super easy, straight to the point, and then I'll show you guys the twist out.
Before we take a chance and do this, before we looking back as foolish, can we talk about it for a while? Before we take a chance and do this, before we looking back as foolish, you got me floating, and I can take it. You got me
So this is what my twist out is looking like. My hair was still so soft, you guys. So if you want to know what I used, I definitely recommend you to check out the boho twist video. You guys really loved that, so thank you guys for watching. But yeah, I still have some definition, some volume. I could easily like fluff this out a bit more, maybe do a side part, add a headband, put it in a half up, half down. I could do so many things to rejuvenate this, but I am just going to go in with my Divine Hair Elixir from my brand goddessscurls. Put this into my scalp, give myself a nice scalp massage. Also doing this to help lift up any like dandruff or flakes, whatever, so that, you know, it'll wash away when I go in the shower and wash my hair. So yeah, y'all, I pushed my hair back a little bit, and I did actually really like how that looked. It was a cute little curly fro. So this is my boho twist takedown. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to know how I would wash, condition, etc., check out my boho braids takedown. I go and show you my complete wash day to, like, you know, bring my hair back to life. But don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, y'all, and I'll see you in another video.